In the intricate tapestry of the natural world, symbiosis stands out as a fascinating phenomenon where different species form close and long-term interactions. One remarkable example is the partnership between oxpeckers and large mammals like rhinos and zebras. These birds feed on ticks and parasites that infest the mammals, providing a cleaning service while enjoying a meal. In return, the mammals get rid of annoying pests and even alert the birds to potential danger. This mutually beneficial relationship showcases a perfect balance of give and take in the wild. Moving underwater, the clownfish and sea anemone demonstrate another captivating symbiotic bond. The clownfish seeks shelter and protection among the anemone's tentacles, while the anemone benefits from the fish's leftover food and the removal of parasites. Surprisingly, the clownfish are immune to the anemone's sting, making this partnership even more remarkable. These examples of symbiosis not only illustrate the interconnectedness of ecosystems, but also highlight the adaptability and collaboration present in the natural world. It's truly awe-inspiring to witness how different species coexist and thrive through mutual cooperation, emphasizing the importance of harmony and unity in the diverse web of life.